Hello students, hope you are all safe at home. My presentation today is about the tree data structure and the basic terminologies in tree data structure. Let us discuss what is tree and what are all the terminologies related to this data structure. We have already discussed many data structures like arrays, list, linked list, stack and queue, etc. All these data structures are linear in nature, which means it can store a sequentially ordered data. Now, we are going to discuss a non-linear data structure which is known as tree data structure. Linear lists are useful when we have serially ordered data, whereas trees are useful for storing hierarchically ordered data. For example, a sequence of data like days of a week, students in a class, institutions under a particular university can be represented as a linear list. We can use either of the linear lists like arrays, list, stack, queue, etc. for storing these sequence of data. But data like a family tree, an organization chart which represents different hierarchical order of management, a hierarchy of a government organization can only be represented using trees. If you look at this chart, this represents Arun's family tree. Arun is a parent who has two children called Karthik and Sheila. In turn, Karthik has two daughters, Shakti and Gokila. This type of family tree can be represented by tree data structure. For this type of data, we cannot use any of the linear data structure. If we compare the real tree with the tree data structure, they are completely opposite. In the sense, in the real tree, the root of a tree is at the bottom of the tree and the branches and leaves are at the top of the tree. But in the tree data structure, root of the tree will always be at the top of the tree and the branches and leaves will be at the bottom. So it's totally reversed. To graphically represent the tree data structure, we have a root node here which is at the top of the tree, and down comes the different number of nodes. You can have any number of nodes at the bottom, and the nodes at the bottom level, that is the lowest level of the tree, are called leaf nodes. A tree can be defined as a finite, non-empty set of elements. As given, it should have a definite number of elements and it should not be empty at any time. The number of elements of a particular tree is counted and the top of the tree is the root node. It has a root element and the remaining elements are partitioned into many subtrees. A tree can have any number of subtrees because a subtree consists of any number of nodes. Let's take this example tree. Here, A is the root of the tree and the nodes B, D and E represents a subtree of the tree. There are some terminologies related to the tree data structure. Let's discuss those terms now. Look at this tree. As we know, A is a root of the tree here and a line connecting any two nodes, for example, a line connecting A to B is called as an edge. Nodes consist of B, D, E and F is known as a subtree of A. The nodes at the same level of a tree, for example, B and C are called siblings because they are at the same level of a tree. The root is always at the top of the tree and so it is in level 0. And B and C are at level 1. The elements at the lowest level of the hierarchy or a tree are the leaf nodes. The height of any tree is the maximum level of a tree. For example, if a tree has 3 levels, the height of a tree is 3. If a tree has 5 levels, the height of a tree is obviously 5. Next, we'll see what is the degree of a node. A degree of a node, or otherwise called node degree, is defined as the number of children it has. In this example, Joe node has 3 children, and so the node degree of Joe is 3. Similarly, the degrees of Ann node is 2 and the node degree of Mary is 1. The node degrees of all the leaf nodes is always 0 because it doesn't have any children. Next, we'll discuss what is the degree of a tree. The degree of any given tree can be defined as the maximum of all the node degrees of that particular tree. Once we calculate the node degrees of all the nodes of a tree, let us find the maximum of all the node degrees, and that maximum number will be the degree of the tree. And that's all the terminologies about the trees, my dear students. I hope this is very clear to you. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ping me. Let us have another session which will discuss the binary tree and the traversal methods of a binary tree. Thank you.